Hello, good day. Today we are going to answer one of the most important challenges for scalper traders: how to identify the optimal point of the 25 and 35 EMA Cross on the 1-minute time frame and use Heiken Ashi candles as a powerful filter. If you also want to have faster, less risky, and more accurate trades, be sure to watch this video until the end. First of all, we need to know what EMA, or exponential moving average, is. This indicator is more sensitive to recent price data and shows price changes faster. In a scalping strategy, we usually use two EMAs with different periods. For example, EMA 25 and 35. When the shorter EMA 25 crosses the longer EMA 35, it is called a cross, which often signals the start of a short-term trend. But the point is that on a 1-minute time frame, the market noise is very high, and if we enter a trade without a filter, the risk of error increases. This is where Heiken Ashi candles come into play and play the role of a very useful filter. Heiken Ashi candles, calculated based on the average price of the previous 4 candles, make the chart smoother and the market less noisy. According to research on the Investopedia website, Heiken Ashi can make the direction of the trend clearer. The important feature of these candles is that a green candle without a lower wick often indicates a strong uptrend. A red candle without an upper wick indicates a strong downtrend. This helps us avoid mistaken and hasty entries. Interestingly, some professional traders, even in scalping, use Heiken Ashi as a confirmation of the EMA cross signal to make sure that a trend is really forming. Now, let's look at the exact settings of this strategy. First, you need to set your chart to a 1-minute time frame and a Heiken Ashi candlestick. Then add 2 EMAs with periods of 25 and 35 to the chart. The conditions for entering a trade are as follows. First, the EMA 25 must cross the EMA 35 from below upwards. At the same time, the Heiken Ashi candlestick must be green and preferably have a short or no lower wick. This combination will help you enter a trade only when the trend is likely to continue. This simple but powerful filter can significantly improve the risk-reward ratio of your trades. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. Let's look at a real example. In this 1-minute chart, the EMA 25 has crossed the EMA 35, and a green Heiken Ashi candle has formed. At this point, we enter a buy trade. We place the stop loss below the wick of the previous candle and close the trade as soon as the risk-reward ratio is doubled. Note that in volatile markets like the London or New York sessions, such a strategy works better, as the price movements are stronger. This example shows how well the Heiken Ashi filter can prevent false entries. Don't forget a few pro tips. 1. Test the strategy on a demo account first to get familiar with its behavior. 2. Don't use this strategy during important news as market movements become unpredictable. 3. Always check higher time frames to understand the general direction of the market and avoid trading against the main trend. 4. Always follow risk management and stop loss. No strategy is without mistakes. These small details make the difference between a successful trader and an emotional trader. In conclusion, the 25 and 35 EMA Cross strategy with Heiken Ashi filter offers a combination of accuracy and speed in 1-minute scalping. This method can prevent many false entries and improve the profitability of your trades. When the above conditions are met, the entry point is confirmed exactly at the close of the Heiken Ashi candle. To manage risk, place the stop loss slightly below the wick of the previous Heiken Ashi candle. Set the take profit limit at least twice the stop loss, or exit the trade at the first EMA reversal. According to XS.com and Investopedia articles, combining EMAs with Heiken Ashi is one of the most effective ways to reduce false signals in scalping. However, it should be noted that no strategy is foolproof, and money management is always the first principle. If you are interested in such strategies, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments what topic you would like the next strategy to be about. Good luck and be profitable. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.